Hello everyone, my name is Prabjot Singh Bedi and my student roll number is 2510999080. So in this project I have basically made a data science task project where I involved analyzing YouTube videos and comment data to understand the view engagement, like how people interact with videos through views, likes and comments across major news channels. So before beginning to the analytical part, the very first step I have done was to set up a YouTube API key. So basically API is an application program interface. It is like a bridge that allows two systems to communicate with each other. In this case, it enables the Python to interact directly with the YouTube servers and collect that video data automatically. So in order to create the API key, I went to the Google Cloud Console. This is a Google Cloud Console website. Here I created a new project and enabled the YouTube Data API v3 service. Then under the credentials section, so going to the credential sections, so I navigated once a second, I think it's slow. Yeah, so under the credential sections I generated the API key, and basically the key acts as a secure pass which lets me to fetch informations like some video titles, publication dates, comments, likes, views directly from the YouTuber. So I think yeah, so this is the API key and I will show my API key to you. So yeah, I will copy this path and paste it into the credential file here and save it to that, and after that I will go to my file, d1 file, and here in the setting part I will paste the copy the path of the credential and paste it here. So after that I have made the keywords and channels. Basically my topic was about Kashmir conflict and article 370. So according to that I have made the keywords and channels. So after that I have import the pandas, seaborn and matplotlib libraries according to the preparation I wanted. So let's move to the clean and prepare the data, so which is I think one of the most important step in data science project. So I import after importing the main Python libraries, the first step I had done was to convert the published at column to the proper date and time format, and after that basically I convert the text into the date time object, which makes easier to perform time based analysis. Next I checked for missing and incorrect values through some functions like is null and dot sum, and I also made some numeric columns like view count, like underscore count. Basically this ensured that all calculation and visualization worked well, and after these steps the data was clean and well structured and it is ready for the visualization part. So now move to the questions that I have done. So basically coming to the first part was about the distribution of views, likes and comments for the videos. So for this I have created 3 subplots using the seaborn library using the function histplot, which overlays both histogram and the KDE curve. KDE is basically kernel density estimate. So first I have created a large file with enough space for the 3 subplot. Then I draws the both histogram and KDE curve, and KDE basically overlays the density curve, help to visualize where the most data point lie. Then after that I have applied different colors, blue, green and orange, which helps to distinguish between the views, likes and comment section. And from these plots I have observed that all the 3 metrics, that is views, likes and comments, are right skewed, means smaller number of videos receive very high engagement and while the majority of the videos have lower interaction level. So coming to the next question, basically the next question was about how long viewers comments typically are. So here I created a new column for the basically comment length using the channels underscore titles, and I have counted the number of characters using the str.len command, and stores that value in a new column, that is channels underscore titles totals. So this command draws after that I have drawn a histogram which shows how often comments are of different lengths appear. Here I use 40 bins to make the graph more smoother, and applied a sky blue color for the clear appearance. And for that visualization, and through the visualization part, So I have generated three graphs for the channel title, for the views, likes and comments, and applied different colors to each of them. So from this visualization I noticed that most comments are short and while basically only a small number or a very few number of users have write long comments. So this pattern shows that how quick opinions and reactions are more common than I would say, rather than the detailed feedback on YouTube. So coming to the next question, I would say the last question that I have done. So this was basically about the which news channel received the highest average likes per video. So for that I have grouped all the videos based on the channel name by the group by command, and after that I calculated the average number of likes of each channel. Then I convert the group data back to a readable data frame. After that I use the command sort value, and this basically arranges the results in descending order, showing the channels with highest average price at the top level. And to print that I use the head command, which selects the top 10 channels. So to view that thing or to visualize that thing, I created a horizontal bar chart which clearly shows that channels attract the most audience engagement through likes. And then I inverted the y-axis. The most popular channel appears on the top, and from this this is basically the visualization that you can see. This is CNN has been on the top level, which has received the most average likes per video. So basically from this I observed that the certain channels consistently receive higher average likes, showing some stronger viewer appreciation and engagement through these videos. So this was basically overall questions that I have done. A few challenges I would say that I have faced. The basic challenge was about the data consistency while handling some missing values and incorrect data types. So to overcome that thing, I have used some functions like pd dot to date time, which basically converts the data into date. For the numeric conversion I have done. So through this task basically I would say I learned how data is being cleaned, how it is transformed, and how visualization work together to reveal hidden insights from the large data sets. So thank you everyone for your time and attention. I hope that this walkthrough gave you a clear understanding of how I approach my data collection, cleaning, visualization to analyze the YouTube engagement data. Thank you.